Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the icon in the top left corner to open the Connected to Fitbit page, and here tap on your Versa 4 to open the device page for your Versa 4. On this page, find the gallery option and tap on it. And here select the clocks at the top. And now you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, tap on it. Tap on install, allow the permissions, and tap on proceed. And after a couple of seconds, the watch face will be done installing and is gonna be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.